Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted to-the-point coding tutorials. ARexx is a powerful scripting language that is particularly known for its ease of use and strong intercommunication capabilities. It is a dialect of the Rex language designed specifically for the Amiga computer system. ARexx allows different software applications to communicate with each other and automate complex tasks, turning it into a popular choice in automation and application scripting. ARexx was developed in the mid-1980s as an incarnation of the Rex language for the Amiga platform. Its home is IBM, but it was William S. Hawes who adapted the language to work on the Amiga, positioning it as a crucial tool within the Amiga OS for its process communication capabilities and robustness. While ARexx's main strength lies in inter-process communication and automation scripts, this is the integration of various Amiga software. It is also used in various fields like scripting, macro creation, batch processing, and more. It is highly appreciated for its simple English-like syntax and accessible learning curve, making it equally ideal for novice and professional developers. To start developing in ARexx, you need to write your scripts using any text editor and save them with the .rex file extension. ARexx has its own interpreter which reads your scripts line by line and executes the written commands directly. Operating within the Amiga OS, ARexx scripts can control and automate tasks between different applications and manipulate data effortlessly. Despite the decrease in Amiga system usage, the ARexx language remains vibrant thanks to a passionate community. This dedicated group keeps the legacy of ARexx alive by continuing to use and develop scripts for it. There are plenty of Amiga user groups, forums, and websites where enthusiasts offer support, share resources, and exchange valuable ARexx scripts that significantly enhance productivity. ARexx enjoys a dedicated, albeit smaller, group of enthusiasts who contribute to its resilience. Websites such as amiga.org and amined.net house a treasure trove of ARexx resources, including documentation, forums, and a vast library of scripts provided by the community. With their commitment to the language, these members ensure that ARexx remains a vibrant part of the Amiga legacy. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!